Facebook or Meta elected to make their model free. Like you can literally like use Meta's model. It's open source. Like you can get it going on your computer, whatever. And so we're seeing a transformation where the models now are not even the differentiators between the company. It's the data that you have.
When you say model, what does that mean versus data? Like I haven't read up on this.
So the model is basically like it's the engine, right? It's like you have a model and you get to feed it data that the model will train on, and then the result output of that model will be what you will use to ask it questions, right? And so that model that we're talking about, that engine, if you will, at first OpenAI came up with that engine and blew away, right? But now Meta still has that engine, so you can just feed it data, and it's gonna create, it's gonna generate an output that you can interact with.
Got it.
And so, like the most obvious example that we've seen on how the differentiator is really the data is recently OpenAI acquired the rights to use Reddit's data, and so it's not Reddit that paid OpenAI to use their models, right? It's OpenAI that paid Reddit to use their data. And so like, it's really kind of like this differentiator now. Like, it's no more the models. Like the models, like a lot of people are working on different models, and you can really get that easily for free. But the data that you have in order to create the output of those models is what's creating, making a difference between companies. And so
how did the Reddit data look? Like, how did that help?
That's a good question. I mean, we know that Google's used Reddit's data, and it had some mixed results, let's say, in terms of how much how great the search engine was performing based on just using Reddit's answers to. But I guess the point is more of like the value now in the world of AI is not tied as much to the models. It's more tied to the data, right? So like, you can start a company today, and if you have data, you don't need to like hire 16,000 engineers to create an AI model engine, right? While the opposite is not true. And I think that's kind of like what's been the real change in the industry in AI over the past 2 years.
Nerds, data in hand. We rock the bytes and we'll take a stand. Calculators flashing like a disco ball. Cold board tech, hey, we answer the call.